I'm standing in front of Abia North local government area. For those watching live on Facebook, you can actually see the signpost leading to Abia North local government area. And of course, this is a location that is very important in this election because it is the zonal office of the Abia State Independent Electoral Commission. Abia North, you can actually see the signpost. Abia State Independent Electoral Commission local government headquarters right here, and this is where election materials will move to the various locations right here with the polling units, I must say. And I can see the cluster of people at the moment. These are ad hoc officers that should work. As you can see, Ward 4 is just moving at the moment. This is the time is 10:41, 10:44, and 10:41. The materials are just moving. As you can see, Ward 4 is moving. As you can see, you can see them making a lot of noise there. There's material for Ward 4, and some of the ad hoc officers also moving. Some ad hoc officers are still waiting at this moment. This is 10:45. Election should have started from 8 o'clock. So I can actually categorically tell you that there is delay in the distribution of materials. And Ward 12 is also just moving, as you can hear from the background. Ad hoc officers are still clustered at the gates, trying to find where they are posted. I will get close to the gates at the moment so that you can see the names that were posted on the gate. Ad hoc staff list, as you can see right now, also Ward 2, and this is actually the same for all the wards in Abia North and Abia South, and also other areas that this local government office is covering. But I can actually tell you that there is late distribution of election materials. Hopefully, activities will improve as these election materials are going on from this location down to the polling units, and that is where the election will start proper. But that is the current situation at the moment. In case you just joined us, it is the coverage of the local government election in Abia State, and 184 wards, 17 local government areas, and today is the day about 10 political parties are participating in this election. This, where we are at the moment, is the Abia State Independent Electoral Commission office, Abia North local government. This is actually where you have the cluster of election materials, sensitive and non-sensitive, that arrived yesterday, and there has been late distribution of these election materials. Some of them have just moved right from when we started this live stream, and for